Hey everyone, welcome back to Becky's How To's. I'm Becky from Your World Fitness and BC Fun Intense Training. Today I'm just going to go through basically a general technique which you can use in every exercise that you do, because a lot of what exercises you do is going to come through your core and your abs. So you want to be really strong with a lot of things. So, as you know, lunges, really strong in the core. Squats is core work. Running, core, really strong in the core when you're doing upper body as well. Anything you're doing is going to really be coming from the core. So a tip that I sort of use is when you're focusing on your exercise, what you want to do is, one thing you want to put your hips up. So you don't want to be flat back like this because you're going to get a lot of pressure on your back. Flip the hips up and suck the abs in. So suck the abs in, shoulders back and hips up, and really squeezing in at the glutes. So really squeezing, you're really be really strong and straight through this area here, because that's where a lot of the power is coming from. So basically you can use this with every exercise, and then when you do that, say biceps, you're focusing on the bicep curl. Squats, you're focusing on the legs coming up and down, but you're always core, shoulders back, hips up, real strong and straight through here. So as I say, this is where you're getting all your power and energy from. So really work on that technique, and you can use that with every exercise you do. So I hope that helped, and you should get stronger and more powerful throughout the core and the whole body using that. So thanks again for listening, and we'll see you next time. Cheers all.